Ever wonder what your furry friend gets up to when you're away at work? Here are 4 surprising facts. Fact 1. Dogs have a keen sense of time. They can anticipate their owner's arrival and start getting anxious around an hour before. Fact 2. Dogs feel loneliness and boredom. During long hours alone, they might resort to destructive behaviors to entertain themselves. Fact 3. Dogs have dreams. Just like us, they go through sleep stages, including REM sleep when dreams occur. Fact 4. They don't really watch television. Despite what it seems, dogs perceive TV differently than humans, and are more likely to be attracted to the sounds rather than the moving images. And there you have it. A glimpse into the secret life of your dog when you're not around. Remember, every dog is unique and may behave differently. Until next time.